Oh no, it's not going to do it anymore.
Oh, it takes a while. It's been doing it. I was able to do that, follow the line and go. See? There's no thunder behind it though. That's an airplane. I know my thunder, lightning. Can you see it?
Yep.
That airplane's going right into the thunder.
Yep.
That would scare me half to death if I was on an airplane. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Okay, sweetie, Mama here. It's behind us. Pure ridiculous.
Oh, over there. Where the plane came from, lightning happened.
That's what I mean, I saw it behind us too. Look at your daughter.
She's so good.
Titus is in like, why is she gonna be out there? I have to be in here? Think you got enough? Oh no, that was cool.
Sweetie, come on.
She put the light, the thunder.
Oh.
So you can watch. See?
Oh. What are you eating, Titus?
Titus? Spit it out! What is he eating?
I don't know.
Stop it. What are you eating? There's nothing over here.
Well, yeah, because he ate it.
Stop it. Get away from it. There's it over there. I think it was like a...
I don't know, he'll be doing something with it. It's isolated in just that area.
Mm-hmm.